All right guys, so in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is working out all these low spots and trying to get all of this panel level because I don't wanna add any body filler, and if I do, I'm gonna lead the panel instead of using plastic filler. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is taking this dolly and I'm gonna be placing it on the inside of these low spots, and I'm gonna be taking the slapper and I'm gonna be slapping the surrounding edge. So it's gonna be all this area, this high spot, and I'm gonna try to blend the two together. Then I'm gonna come across with this 80 grit paper on a sand block, and I'm just gonna go over and identify where I've come up and where it's still low, and then we're just gonna keep on working the panel until it's all the way out. So like I said, I'm gonna apply this dolly right on the back side of here, and I'm gonna smack the surrounding areas. All right guys, this is about an hour after an hour of working the panel. I still have quite a bit of low spots, but the majority of the panel is the same level all the way across. So like I said in the previous video, I am no professional. This is the first time I'm doing this. I do need to get a finishing hammer. Just to kind of like, I feel like a finishing hammer would help me work out these little small, real low areas. Because right now I'm using this slapper, and I mean, you can see the contact patch is pretty broad. And yeah, so it's hard to get in those little areas. And it would be nice to be able to pinpoint and then tap out all the way around without having to slap this whole area next to these, next to the body line. So I'm just gonna keep on working these ones up here, and then once I get the finishing hammer, I'll do these little real low areas that are next to the body line, because what I don't want to do is flatten the body line. So I'll knock this one out real quick, and then you guys can see where I'm coming from.